After we study some more grammar, so today we will study about okay other grammar in English with much, many, and more. So we can study all together and look and check it all together. Okay. The first column, word, rule, second, and third example. Word. Okay. So we have three words: much, many, and more. The first one, we study with much. Rule. What we use much? Yes. Okay. We use much with uncountable noun. Okay. Mostly used in negative sentence and question. So now we can look at example. We use with uncountable noun. Example: I don't have much water. So what sentence is? What is sentence? So this sentence is refer to negative sentence. So where is uncountable noun? You can look at water. Water is uncountable noun. And one more thing, mostly used in negative and question sentence. Example: how much sugar do you need? So this sentence is we call it question. And what is the noun that we call uncountable noun? We can say sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. After we understand much, so now we can go on many. Many. What we use many with? Many we use with countable noun. And two, we use many with in positive, negative, interrogative sentence. So now we can look at example. There are many books. This sentence is positive sentence. And where countable noun? Books. Books is uncountable noun. So sorry, books is countable noun. There are many books on the table. And one more, we use many in positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. And for example, we already positive. And second example, how many students are in the class? So this sentence we call negative or question. Yes. So now we know about this. This sentence is question sentence. So where is countable noun? So look at student or student. Student or student is countable noun. So many, review again. So many we use with countable noun with positive, negative, sentence. After you understand about much, many, so we can continue more. More. How we use more? More competitive form of much and many. So more is the comparative form of much and many. How we use? We use more with both countable and uncountable noun. So we can use more both. One more example. Most people attend the event this year. It means more people join the attend this year. Okay. So what is countable and uncountable? Okay, people we can say, okay, countable, yeah, countable. And one more example, I need more information. She has more. Okay, point. I need more information. Okay, where is the noun countable or uncountable? You can say information. Information is uncountable now. Yes. Okay. She has more. Okay, point. You can add. Okay, depend on you. Okay. So after we study about much many already, so we finish. Okay, thank you for watching.